Hey there! Wanna learn how I made this subtle glam look that's perfect for all the iftar and suhoor parties you need to go to? Then keep watching! I'm using the Huda Beauty Empowered Eyeshadow palette for this look. This palette is amazing because you can create so many smoky and nude looks. First, I'm taking the shade Best Self using the small blending brush from Pack Cosmetics in the Eyeconic collection. And I'm applying it on my crease like so. You can always build up until you're satisfied with the color. If you're new to my channel and haven't subscribed yet, then please do it now. Now I'm taking Keep Going and kind of building the color up, as you can see. Now I'm taking the shade Bold Moves on my small eyeshadow applicator brush and applying it to the middle of my eye. And then I tried blending it with the brush, but it wasn't really working, so I used my finger instead and it was much easier. Also, please ignore my nail. Now I'm going with the shade Manifested and putting it on the inner corner and outer corners of my eyes. Here I'm smoothing out all the harsh lines on my crease using the small blending brush. And now I'm going in with the shade Bold Moves again to make the color really pop. And for my lower lash line, I'm using the shade Keep Going again with the same small blending brush. Now I'm taking the shade Big Dreams on my pencil brush to darken my lower lash line. Next, I'm taking the Bare Minerals Maximist liquid eyeliner for my liner. I'm starting off with my outer wing and then filling it up. Now I'm gradually working my way in. Now for the fun part. I'm using the split liner from Glisten Cosmetics in the shade The Royals. And to activate it, you're gonna need to add a couple drops of water to it. Now I'm creating a thin line right above my black winged liner, but you can go as thick as you like. Oh, also, I'm using the color blue here, but you can definitely switch it up according to your outfit. I'm using Huda Beauty's falsies today in Jade number 13. Because I feel like this has the perfect amount of softness to it. Using my all-time favorite Huda Beauty lash glue, and you know I like to let the glue dry about halfway before putting them on, so I'm sure they are not going anywhere the whole day. I like to secure it in the middle first using an eyelash applicator and then go on with my inner corner and then my outer corner. Now I'm using the Benefit Cosmetics Gal BANG Mascara on my lower lashes, and you can apply as many coats as you want. And then I'm using my mascara on my top lashes to blend my falsies and my real lashes. And last but not least, give your lashes a few good pulses and you're all done. Here is the final product. I hope you like it. I would love to see your recreations. Tag me at Ameena Saqeefa on Instagram so I can repost your work. Thanks for watching. Take care. Love you. Until next time.